How to trim sound on TikTok. Creating the perfect TikTok video often involves more than just great visuals. You also need the right sound to make your content pop. Whether you're syncing your moves to a trending song or adding a voiceover, getting the timing just right is key. But what if the sound you want to use doesn't fit perfectly with your video? The good news is that TikTok's built-in tools make it easy to trim sound to match your video perfectly. Why trim sound on TikTok? Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why you might want to trim sound. Perfect timing. Sometimes, the best part of a song or sound effect is buried in the middle or towards the end. Trimming allows you to showcase the exact moment you want, ensuring your audience experiences the part that's most engaging. Syncing to actions. If you're doing a dance challenge or lip syncing, trimming the sound helps you align your moves with the beat or lyrics. This alignment can elevate your video, making it more appealing and fun to watch. Creative control. Trimming gives you more creative freedom to tell your story exactly the way you want. It allows you to customize your sound to fit your unique style and content needs. Step-by-step guide to trimming sound on TikTok. Ready to make your TikTok sound just right? Here's how to trim it down. Starting a new video. First things first, you'll need to create or upload a video where you want to use the trim sound. Open TikTok, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon, this will open the camera to start recording a new video, or you can upload a video from your gallery. Select your sound. Before trimming, you need to choose the sound you want to use in your video. Tap on Add Sounds. At the top of the screen, tap the Sounds button to open TikTok's vast music library. Browse or search. You can search for a specific sound or browse through trending sounds to find one that fits your video. Preview and add. Tap on a sound to preview it. If it's the one, hit the red check mark to add it to your video. Trim the sound. Now that you've added your sound, it's time to trim it to the perfect length. Tap on the scissors icon. After selecting your sound, you'll see a scissors icon. Click on it to open the trimming tool. Adjust the slider, you'll see a waveform of the sound. Use the slider to move to the part of the sound you want to start with. Drag it left or right to choose the exact section you want to include. Preview your selection. Always make sure to preview your trimmed sound to ensure it fits well with your video. Finalize and post your video. After you've trimmed your sound to perfection, proceed to finalize your editing, add any additional effects or text, and get ready to share your creation with the world. Closing thoughts. Trimming sound on TikTok can enhance your video's appeal and make it more engaging for your viewers. With these steps, you can create content that is perfectly timed and uniquely yours. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.